So this is our midterm project in Human-Computer Interaction 2. Our system is an AI-powered student support website chatbot for Isabela State University, Kawayan Campus. Cognitive computing, enhancing HCI through intuitive and adaptive interaction. In our student support chatbot, the chatbot uses natural language processing to understand and respond to students in conversational manner, making the interaction feel more human and less robotic. Human capabilities attention. Interface simplicity. Minimize cognitive load. The chatbot interface was designed to be straightforward and intuitive, reducing unnecessary distractions to keep the student's attention focused. Clear visual cues. We use visual hierarchy with bold text, icons, and color contrasts to highlight important information and guide the user's attention naturally. Engaging content. Multimedia elements incorporating image, videos, and interactive tutorials helps maintain engagement by appealing to multiple senses. Interactive prompts. Using buttons and quick replies makes the interaction more dynamic and helps maintain user focus. Immediate feedback. Responsive design. The chatbot provides immediate responses to user queries, which helps keep the user engaged and reduces the likelihood of frustration from delays. Engaging content. Interactive prompts. Using buttons and quick replies make the interaction more dynamic and helps maintain user focus.
Wait, ha? Saan ka na?
Nadoble na sa memory ka na.
Sa memory
Huh?
ka na, memory ka na.
Na hindi ko pala nabura yung dun sa notes yung iba dun.
Wait lang. Nagvi-video ako! Wait lang! Sa human
Ano tayo ba?
Memory.
Memory. Ito na?
Yan na.
Wait, sige. Dugtong mo
Human
na.
capabilities memory. Visual aids. Icons and visual cues. Utilize icons, image, and other visual aids to reinforce text-based information. Visual elements can help trigger memory and make it easier for users to remember key points. Here we utilize a very common icon used to imply that it would take the user directly to the homepage of the website. Personalization. User profiles. Create and maintain user profiles that store preferences, frequently asked questions, and past interactions. This allows the chatbot to offer personalized support, making it easier for users to recall previously interaction and feel a sense of continuity.
Pakat na lang yun. Human capabilities. Knowledge. Number 1, computers and machines. Programming. Skilled programming ensures that the chatbot operates efficiently and responds quickly, crucial for maintaining user attention and providing immediate feedback. Languages such as JavaScript, HTML, and PHP were used to build the code for the chatbot. Graphics software. Knowledge of graphics software helps create an engaging, visually appealing interface that captures and maintains user attention through effective use of design elements. To create the graphics used in the chatbot, we utilized IBIS Paint X and Canva. 2. Human behavior. Physiology. Awareness of how the human eye and brain react to colors influences the design of the chatbot interface, using color schemes that are easy on the eyes and help highlight important information. Blue and green are examples of colors that are calm to the eyes. Psychology. Understanding human perception and memory limits helps in designing interactions that are easy to follow and remember. Short, clear instructions and responses prevent cognitive overload. Social psychology. Knowledge of social dynamics helps in designing interactions that feel natural and engaging, fostering a positive user experience. ASU is designed to respond in a more natural manner to queries. Previous experience. Leveraging user feedback and past interactions helps refine the chatbot to better meet user needs, enhancing memory retention and personalized responses. Feedback from panelists and peers helped to refine the chatbot further. Practical application in our chatbot. Attention, the developer's expertise in graphics and HCI principles ensures that the chatbot interface is visually appealing and intuitive, helping maintain user focus. Memory. Understanding human memory limits and social psychology allows the chatbot to provide personalized, context-aware responses that enhance user recall and engagement. By integrating this comprehensive knowledge into the chatbot's development, we create a tool that is not only technically proficient, but also deeply attuned to human capabilities and contextual needs, ensuring a smooth user experience.
Physi- Physiology. Number 1. Color choice. The color were chosen based on how human eye and brain react to different hues. For instance, calming colors like green were used to create pleasant and non-stressful interaction environment, while brighter color like white were used to sparingly to highlight important information without overwhelming the user. The color used were also based on university. 2. Font size and types. Readable fonts and appropriate size were selected to reduce eye strain. Clear, easy to read typology ensure user can comfortably read the chatbot response even during extended interaction. 3. Contrast. High contrast between text and background was maintained to improve readability and reduce visual fatigue. This is particularly important for users with visual impairments.
So that's all our project in midterm. Okay na.